Brigit Reddit discussions usually focus on a few main topics: cash advance experiences, subscription questions, account issues, and whether the app helps users manage short-term money needs. By the end, you'll know what people commonly praise and criticize about Brigit, what to check before using the app, and how to understand online reviews before making a decision. Section 1. What users like about Brigit. Many users discuss Brigit because it offers financial tools designed to help people manage their money between paychecks. Positive reviews often mention convenience and the ability to access app features when they need help managing cash flow. People who have good experiences with Brigit often focus on how simple the app is to use and how the available tools fit into their regular budgeting routine. If you are considering Brigit, review the features available in the app and understand how the service works before relying on it for an important expense. Section 2. Common complaints in Reddit discussions. Negative reviews often mention topics like account problems, subscription concerns, support experiences, and questions about available features. A single Reddit complaint does not represent every user's experience. Financial apps can work differently, depending on account information, eligibility, linked accounts, and how each person uses the service. Before using Brigit, check the details of any subscription, understand how repayment works, and make sure the app fits your personal budget. Section 3. How to judge Brigit reviews. Online discussions can help identify common experiences, but they should be compared with official information from Brigit. A detailed review explaining what happened, which feature was involved, and how the issue was resolved provides more useful information than a simple rating. Look for repeated patterns across multiple reviews. If many users mention the same type of issue, that information may be worth considering before signing up. Also pay attention to recent reviews because app features and user experiences can change over time. The main points are simple. Brigit reviews include both positive and negative experiences. Individual results depend on each user's situation, and understanding the app's costs and features helps you make a better decision. Your next step is to review Brigit's current terms. Check the features available for your account, and compare that information with recent user experiences before deciding if the app is right for you. If this guide helped you understand Brigit Reddit reviews, like the video and subscribe for more app review guides.